I want to welcome everybody to this beautiful and magical occasion in Los Cabos. Love is an extraordinary gift, and a wedding celebration is a celebration of that gift. We have come here today to celebrate this gift of love and to add our best wishes and blessings to the words that shall unite Tuan and Tram in the bonds of marriage. What you promise to each other today must be renewed again tomorrow and every day that follows. At the end of this ceremony, you will be husband and wife. Still, you must decide each and every day to commit yourself to one another. Make such a decision and keep on making it, for the most important thing in life is to love and to be loved.
My dearest Drum fam, today is our wedding day. It's the happiest day of my life. I've been waiting for this over 40 years. Every day, I pray to God, just give me a life partner who cares for me and loves me. My love, in you, I found a well-polished diamond. You're very beautiful. However, one thing that attracts me to you the most is your compassionate heart. You have forgiven all my faults as well as all my shortcomings. Baby, we've been through a lot of trials and tribulations. We've overcame many obstacles to be here today. We also have a handsome little boy together, and his name is Steven. Today, before both our families and beloved friends, I, Tuan Vu, will promise to love you each and every day of my life. Take great care of you and Steven. I will provide you with strong shoulders to lean on. I will share with you all the good times and bad times. In sickness and in health, I will always love you. I will do my best to provide you and our son Steven with a lot of happiness. Trâm fam, will you be my wife?
Yes, I will. Yes, I said, yes, I will.
Because you have committed yourself to each other in marriage and demonstrated this by exchanging your vows and giving each other rings, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know this little chapel on the boulevard we can go. No one will know. Oh, come on, girl. Who cares if we're trash? Got a pocket full of cash we can blow. Shots of Patron, and it's on, girl. Don't say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll go, 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 go. If you're ready.
Thì hồi nãy giờ mình nghe mấy anh chị nói cũng nhiều, nhưng mà nó đúng không mà không có gì nó xấu hết á, phải không? Mấy anh này gọi là tàu lô phải không chú?
Dạ, em còn nhớ là lúc nhỏ tụi em sinh ra và lớn lên trong hoàn cảnh rất là nghèo. Trời mưa, nhà em phải hứng nước. Nhà chỗ nào cũng dột hết. Mà hứng chỗ này thì nước dột chỗ khác. Đến nỗi ba má em khóc hoài, ba má em nói là chắc là em không có em nữa. Tại vì á, điều kiện kinh tế khó khăn, cho nên là có thể ba má em không sinh thêm đứa nữa. Tuy nhiên là ba má em rất là thương nhau, cho nên là ở trong một căn phòng nhỏ, nhưng mà ba má em vẫn ham vui, cho nên là dạ cái sao
Nói lại cái speech của
chị á, tại vì biết sao mình Tuấn giúp đỡ Trâm, tại Trâm đẹp á, Trâm xấu để coi không biết giúp đỡ đâu, bảo luôn.
Nó biết anh quá.
Like I'm ready, 'cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Oh, I'll go get a ring, let the choir bells sing like ooh. So what you wanna do? Let's just run, girl. If we wake up and you wanna break up, that's cool. No, I won't blame you. It was fun, girl. Don't say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll go, 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 go. If you're ready, like I'm ready. 'Cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Just say I do. Tell me right now, baby. Tell me right now, baby. Baby, just say I do. Tell me right now, baby. Tell me right now, baby. Baby, oh, it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your